Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. You already know 40 Low DIY on YouTube. Check me out guys. And look, I've been having an issue with my Ram 2500 and this guys is a 2005. I was just driving down the street. My car just cut off and I end up got to get it towed back to the house. It ended up to be a crank no start. I've been having a cam sensor code on the truck, but I didn't pay no mind. I was just planning on changing the cam sensor anyway, but by just driving and driving guys, the truck had give out and beat. So I've been doing a lot of diagnostic guys. I even see my computer over here. I was doing some testing. I thought I wasn't getting sparks or fuel at the rail and at the coil. So I got my little son right here. He's a man right here, my son Nolan. So I had him come out here yesterday with me, and I was out here doing some more diagnostic because it's kind of hard to diag by yourself. So I was checking with my Noid light and all of that good stuff. I was getting Noid right there at the coil. I was getting Noid at the injector, so I know that wasn't the issue. So what else did I do? I checked for 5-volt reference guys at all of these yellow and red wire. You go to the crank sensor, also to the mop sensor. It's also up here. I check for 5-volt at all of them guys. I got 5-volt everywhere. Crank sensor got 5-volt. Also go ahead and even test the oil pressure sensor. I did got 12-volt there also, and I got a ground also. But this is my issue guys. When I was rebuilding the engine guys, it seems like I didn't tighten the cam bolt good. So when I was driving down the road, I heard that phew, a little sound like that before the truck cut it off. And ever since it made that sound, it's just been crazy. And just by cranking and cranking, guys, this is how loose this thing was on here, man. So just by cranking, it wouldn't do nothing. Right now, my pistons, this one over here, the number one, that filled with fluid. I gotta take out the spark plug and start it a couple times earlier and blow it a couple more. So after I fix this, I already know I gotta pop that plug back out and see if I can get some more of the fluid out of that cylinder right there before I try to crank up this car. But yeah guys, I'm kind of happy. This kind of lead me into a good part. I was thinking like, yo, what the hell could it be? Could it be a fried computer or whatever? But as I said, with my son help, yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead, take this off, take the chain off, and I'm gonna go ahead and time up back this engine real quick and see what I can come up with. I know guys, it's kind of hard to do it like this, but I've done it before, so I'm not too worried about it. So I'm gonna just go ahead, take the cam off and line it back up, top dead. And then what I'm gonna do is just put the number one piston top dead and the engine, and then we're just gonna catch about the timing. I know there's some marks in there, but I promise you guys, I'm gonna get it right. All right, thank you again guys. Like, subscribe guys, and if this helps you, if you run into an issue like this, guys, make sure you check that. Make sure you like and subscribe and follow my son Kid Nolan and YouTube too. All right, stay tuned guys for the fix. I will let you know when I crank it up. We out. All right guys, so taking it off, you see where the damage is right there. So that little spine right there was shear down, just the fact that the cam was loose. So that shear down, and now the cam can't sit at one spot. So even if I put the bolt back in, it's still gonna spin around and crank up because this engine takes so much to spin around. So what I'm finna do right now is just size it up, and I'm finna use my like see I got my welding thing out here. I'm finna just get a 10mm and cut it, and then just tack it right there and get it neat and nice, so I can at least get it back in. I know guys, it's not the right thing to do, but I ain't got no choice right now. Plus it's my truck. I don't feel like pulling it down right now. I ain't gonna lie. Because both head gotta come back to do this job. If you guys don't know, both head gotta come off to change that cam right there. You can't change it like that. We're gonna have a problem because the moment you pull that cam out, all the lifters, they drop down. So try to get it back in, it's gonna be a problem. So let me do what I do, and I will tell you the outcome.